Bonsoir tout le monde. Good evening, everyone. Today, I'm going to take a very important topic in the eyes of grade 10th and 9th, that is pronoun, French pronoun, right? That we have started our journey to learn the pronoun, that is pronom sujet, that we start this pronoun in grade 6, 7th, right? Where we replace the subject noun like the school or name of a person, right? Which comes before the verb with ils, nous, vous, je, tu. Then second verb is verb pronominal. Verb pronominal verb, the verb which always comes with the pronoun, that is sir avail, ma dormir, right? That we have learned. Now this is the third category pronoun, that is COD. Here we are going to replace the noun of the object. What is this? Many students get confused. So I am here to explain how we can attempt the COD pronoun confidently. All right. What is the definition? It is le pronom complement objet direct. Direct object ko we need to replace it. What is this? I told you subject plus verb. Now here is object noun. I am here to replace it, right? Okay. And COD gives the answers to the question quoi, which or what. That je we have learned, je means I, tu means you, il means he, elle means she, nous means we, vous means you, ils means they, else means they. Right? Pronoun sujet. Now, what is pronoun COD? It will be ma or m apostrophe if vowel is there. It means me, the or t apostrophe with vowel, you, sir, se, or s apostrophe if vowel is there, it means him, sir, or s apostrophe when vowel is there, it means her, no means us, who means you, else means them, else means them. Now, what are the rules? The key points are object is always followed by article definite, le, la, les, or adjective possessive, mo, ma, mes, ton, ta, tes, so, sa, ses, votre, vous, leur, leur, or adjective demonstrative, se, set, says, right? Okay. In the case, second rule is that in the case of imperative sentence, positive imperative sentence, ma will become moi and te will become toi. Third rule is that in case of passé composé, we already have known that in the tenses passé composé, the accord will always use with the auxiliary verb être. But in the COD, the auxiliary verb accord will be used after the verb in case of avoir also, right? So for il, when the masculine singular, we are talking about the object which is masculine singular, we will not use any code. For the feminine singular, we will use e. For the masculine plural, we will use s. For the l, feminine plural, we will use es. For no, it will be s. Woo, it will be s. Now, how to position? Now, this could be a challenging job, that how to position the pronoun. We have to put the pronoun always in front of before the verb in case of present tense, right? When we are talking about passé composé, then it will be before the auxiliary. When we are talking about future proche, or infinitive verb, right? Then the pronoun will come in the middle or before the second verb or infinitive verb or future clause, right? Then when there is a case of positive or affirmative imperative sentences, the pronoun will come after the verb. COD will come after the verb. But when there is a situation where there is negative imperative sentence, the pronoun will come before the verb. Yeah, I know, I can understand that it seems to be complicated, but when you start doing the exercise, you will find that it is the easiest. Okay. Now, for example, first question is, Wo arrete la radio. Now, COD, here we are talking about replacing the object. Can you see? There is a noun that is radio, which is used in the object, and it is followed by article definite, right? And you know that in French, the objects are gender oriented and numbers according to the gender. So, la radio will be replaced by feminine singular. It will be la, but as we know that, as we know that the subject, the pronoun will come before the verb. So, it will be L apostrophe A. I will not use the la because there are two vowels and two vowels cannot come together in French, right? Yes, right. Now, second question, when there are two verbs, il won't ashiter, right? You can say it's a two verb or infinitive verb example or future prosh example. So now here I need to replace des fleur. Des fleur is a feminine plural. Now I will write. So in the two verbs, what we have learned? That the pronoun will come in the middle of the verb, two verbs. So it will be L-E-S, right? L-E-S. All right. Mark what made ami et moi. Made ami et moi, it will go under the pronoun of when it is any group in which you are involved, you are included, will be nu. Now, mark is also replaced by il, pronoun sushi, il, what, and then what we have learned, when there is one verb, we will write the COD before the one verb, right? Now, in the negative, je n'aime pas cette robe. Cette robe, feminine, singular. So, this will be replaced by la. Okay. Now, here, N-E, na, and then an apostrophe. Pa. Je ne l'aime pas. Correct? So now we take one example of imperative, positive, that we have learned in the affirmative imperative. The article COD will come after the verb. So it is la verite will be replaced by la and then hyphen. Right? Okay. Okay. In the negative that we have learned, in the negative imperative example, we have learned that it will come before the verb. Says chocolats. Says chocolats. It will be plural. So it will come les before the verb. I think now it is easy for you. Okay. Now verb pronoun that we have learned. The positioning of COD is very important to learn. So ils pronoun sujet that we have learned, first pronoun. Then second pronoun we have learned verb pronominal. So after the verb pronoun, we will replace it here. COD. Correct? I think now it is easy. Very good. Yes. Now question number 9. It is L-A oublié sans sac. L-A oublié. Which sentence is this? Yes, passé composé. So what we have learned that in the passé composé, accord will be used with our also, and the COD will come before the auxiliary verb. It will be le. Le is vowel. It will be like this. And no accord is used because sans sac is masculine. Yes. Singular. So no accord after the verb. Okay. 11th question. I will take 11th. Je n'aime pas inviter les grands. Negative passé composé. Okay. I'll do it. Je name les will be masculine plural. So na, then les. Okay. And inviti के बाद क्या आ जाएगा? Accord. That will be S. Okay. Hope you have understood the concept very well. You should know the positioning of COD, which is very important to remember. So this is a kind of exercise or a kind of concept like maths. जितना ज्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतने ज्यादा इसमें आप क्या होंगे? फ्लुएंट होंगे. Right. There is no shortcut. No shortcut. This is the only shortcut that you should know all the rules, write it down in one page, make some notes, and then start doing the exercise. For first, you need to think, you need to analyze which we are talking about, which question. In one sentence, it is one verb or infinitive or passé composé or verb pronominal or infinitive, positive or negative. According to that, the positioning is very, very important, right? Hope you have understood well. And if in case you have further inquiry, you can contact me personally and I will make another new video, educational video. Thank you. Signing off. Richa ma'am. Abyanto. See you soon.